Are you ready for the absolute biggest Apple chaos in history? Stop whatever you're doing right now. The entire tech world is shaking. Apple just hosted their highly anticipated March 2026 event. They launched brand new devices. Everyone was cheering, but they are hiding a massive secret from you. The highly rumored iPad 12th generation was completely missing from the stage. Everyone expected it. Nobody saw it. This is the brutal truth revealed today. Apple delayed the biggest budget tablet in history. If you buy an old tablet today, you will deeply regret it by tomorrow. The leaks for a late 2026 release are absolutely insane right now. Let me tell you exactly what is happening behind closed doors at Apple. The hype started exploding recently. The most famous leakers on X, formerly Twitter, dropped massive bombs on the internet. This is not just a small update. This is not just a tiny spec bump. This is a complete revolution for budget technology. First, the legendary Mark Gurman posted from his verified account. He brought some shocking news. He stated that the entry-level iPad 12 is finally getting the A18 chip. It is also getting a massive 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is huge. Apple Intelligence is actually coming to the budget lineup. This is a complete game changer. It is perfect for anyone who wants smart features without paying $1,000. You will get premium power for absolute pocket change. Then the famous supply chain expert Ming-Chi Kuo tweeted to his massive audience. He confirmed that we should expect the new iPad to feature the N1 wireless chip. This means Wi-Fi 7 speeds will be standard. It will be on the absolute cheapest iPad. You will get lightning-fast internet. Browsing will be instant. Streaming will never buffer. Another top verified leaker, Abhishek Yadav, posted on X. He said the Apple iPad 12th generation will drop very soon. He highlighted the massive memory bump. He called it a true budget powerhouse. With 8 gigabytes of RAM, your apps will never close in the background. You can multitask like a true professional. Display analyst Ross Young also joined the frenzy. He tweeted about the screen. He said the display remains a 10.9-inch or 11-inch LCD. It will run at a standard 60 Hz refresh rate. Apple is saving a lot of manufacturing costs here. They are keeping the non-laminated screen. This might sound like a downgrade, but it is actually a massive win for you. Finally, the trusted leaker Shrimp Apple Pro posted about the design. New bright colors are coming. The flat aluminum edges stay exactly the same, but the battery efficiency is going to be insane. These 5 major experts prove one thing. This delayed tablet is an absolute monster. But the news does not stop there. The biggest international tech websites are reporting on this. News is flooding in from all over the world. In the United States, Macworld dropped the brutal truth. They reported that Apple intentionally pushed the release date back. Why'd they do this? They did this to prevent the cheap iPad 12 from destroying the sales of new premium models. It is simply too good. Over in Japan, the famous site Makodakara published a highly detailed report. This confirms the new iPad will keep its current design. However, it will focus completely on internal speed. Meanwhile, Phone Arena from Europe reported some amazing news for your files. Apple is finally doubling the base storage. The new starting space jumps up to 128 gigabytes. You no longer have to survive on a tiny 64 GB drive. That nightmare is finally over. In India, the major publisher Sportskeeda pointed out something very smart. The non-laminated 11-inch screen is much cheaper to repair. This makes it perfect for students. It is perfect for kids. If you drop it, you will not go bankrupt fixing it. Geeky Gadgets confirmed the ultimate detail. Everyone was waiting for this. The new tablet will hold its incredible starting price. It will cost just $349. This is unbelievable value. Finally, the ESR Tech blog noted something amazing. The device will even support Stage Manager. It will also support the Apple Pencil Pro. 6 different global publishers are all saying the exact same thing. Apple is preparing the greatest budget deal in tech history. Now, let's break down what all of this actually means for you. Think of this as your ultimate cheat sheet. You're getting the powerful A18 processor inside. It features an advanced neural engine for machine learning. You will experience much FOS. and smarter Siri integration. The A18 chip handles heavy gaming easily. It handles video editing without breaking a single sweat. Apple Intelligence will change how you use this tablet. You can rewrite emails effortlessly. You can generate custom images instantly. You can do it right on your device. By keeping the standard LCD screen, Apple saves a ton of money. They take those massive savings. They pass them directly down to you. It is simply the best deal in tech right now. You get to choose from beautiful, bright new colors. The front camera is finally located in landscape mode. This makes video calls so much better. The battery will easily last all day. If you need a new tablet, the iPad 12 is an absolute no-brainer. The base model gives you 128 gigabytes of storage. You can even upgrade to a maximum of 512 gigabytes. It is perfectly designed for students and families. It is the ultimate budget tablet on the market. The brutal truth is that we are looking at a delayed late 2026 launch. You have to wait a little longer. Do not buy the more expensive iPad Air today. Only buy it if you specifically need it for heavy professional work. Do not buy the older iPad 11 right now. It lacks Apple Intelligence. It will quickly feel outdated. Hold on to your cash. Wait until Apple drops this unbelievable machine later this year. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that. Give your best opinion about this product in the comments below.